Hi everyone, it's another week of presentation. The question that I want to focus on today is, do you think moral education is worth to teach? Why? From the reading assignment, the research I found, and the discussion we had, the answer is yes, moral education is worth to teach. In the article, Live Wide Awake by Maxine Greene showed us morals can help us to make the right choice. Asia Campbell gave a great comment. She agreed that moral education can teach students to be able to analyze situations and choose the best decision for themselves. She also talked about a group of kids who are doing the drugs in their reading. And she said if we teach those kids morals and that they are free to choose, then these types of situations won't be as hard for them. So the morals will help us identify the situation and lead us to make a better choice. So thank you for watching it. Please leave me a comment of what you think about moral education. See you next time.